So let us start the session. Today we are going to start revision 1 of chapter number 3, playing with numbers. So let us go through the different types of questions. First question, factors, and second question, multiples. Third question is based on divisibility test, and fourth is prime and composite number, and fifth is prime factorization, common factors and multiples, and word problems based on HCF and LCM. So these are the different types of questions. Now coming under divisibility test, we have divisibility test by 2, divisibility test by 3, divisibility test by 6, divisibility test by 5, divisibility test by 10, divisibility test by 11, and divisibility test by 4, and divisibility test by 8. Divisibility test by 7 is not important for your exam, so I'm not taking up. And in prime factorization, we have three types of questions. One is to write the prime factors, and the another is to find HCF, to find LCM. एक और type है that I have not written here, to find the factors. Okay, any number can be expressed in the product of factors. That is one more type. So let us start with the factors. So divisibility. A number is divisible by another number if the quotient is a whole number and with remainder is 0. That means remainder is equals to 0, no remainder. See example, 42 को अगर 6 से हम लोग divide कर रहे हैं तो we are getting quotient 7 and remainder we are getting 0. That means 42 is divisible by 6. So coming to factors, the result of multiplication of any two number, that is called product, and the numbers to be multiplied are called the factors of that product. Okay, the result of a multiplication is called product, and the numbers to be multiplied are called factors of that product. So a factor completely divides the product. For example, suppose 2 into 3 is 6. So 6 is a factor of 2, 6 is a factor of 3. Or we can say that 6 is completely divisible by 2 and 3. Right? Both 2 and 3. So a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Now this is factor. Now coming to the next, multiples. A multiple of a natural number is obtained by multiplying that number by any whole number. For example, suppose multiples of 4. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 4, 16. So like if we are going on multiplying, then we'll get all multiples of 4. That is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. These are the multiples of 4. Similarly, multiples of 7 are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. Like that. So on. And every number is a multiple of itself. And the least non-zero multiple is the number itself. जैसे 4 का multiple 4 होगा, 7 का multiple 7 है, right? And a number is a multiple of each of its factors. Example, 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. Okay, 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. So 6 जो है वो 2 का भी factor है और 3 का भी. 2 जो है वो 6 का भी factor है और 3 का, उल्टा बोल दिया. ठीक है, 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. So 2 is a factor of 6 and 3 is a factor of 6. Right. So there are infinitely many multiples of a number. Now we will see some interesting facts about factors. So factors जो है वो finite होते हैं जिसको हम लोग count कर सकते हैं. Right. For example, factors of 18. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So we can count 6 factors. And 1 is a factor of every number. This is very important. 10 into 1, 10 होता है. Right? So 1 or 10, दोनों 10 का factor है. Similarly, 1 and 8 the factor of 8. Every number is a factor of itself. 1 or number itself are factor, okay, factor of every number. So every factor is less than or equal to given number. See, यहाँ पे देखो 18 का जो factor था ये सारे थे. So all these number less than or equal to 18. Equal कौन सा है? 18. Otherwise all numbers are less than 18. ठीक है. Similarly 12 का factors है 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. All these numbers are less than or equal to 12. Okay, so now some interesting facts about multiples. Multiples of a number are infinite. We cannot count. Suppose 12 has an infinite number of multiples. 12, 24, 48, 60, so on. ऐसे ही चलता जाएगा. And every number is a multiple of 1. And every number is a multiple of itself. See, 2 is equals to 2 into 1, 10 is equals to 10 into 1, any number, okay? Next, every number is a multiple of itself. So 5 is equals to 5 into 1, 7 is equals to 7 into 1, etc. So on. And factor अभी देखे थे, all factors are less than or equal to that number. Here, ulta, reverse. Multiple of a number is equal to or greater than the given numbers. Example, multiples of 13s, 13, 26, 39, okay, 39, 52, so on. All these numbers are greater than 12. Only one number is equal, that is 13. Except 13, all numbers are greater than 13. Okay, so now we'll see even numbers. जो 2 से डिवाइड होता है उसको इवन नंबर्स बोलते हैं. अ नंबर विच इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 इज कॉल्ड एन इवन नंबर. इन अदर वर्ड्स, अ नंबर which is a multiple of 2 is called even number. The ones digit of even number are either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, 30 में यूनिट प्लेस में 0 है, 46 में यूनिट प्लेस में 6 है, 178 यूनिट प्लेस is 8 and 4032 unit place is 2. So all these are even numbers. Now coming to odd numbers which is not divisible by 2, or the numbers which is not even. ठीक है, a number which is not a multiple of 2, that is called odd number. So ones place digit में सारे odd numbers रहेंगे, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. उसको हम लोग odd number बोलेंगे. Example, 13, 79, 225, 441, 537, etc. are odd numbers. चलो कुछ important questions देख लेते हैं exercise 3.1 से. Write all the factors of the following numbers. Only few bits I have taken. 24. So 24 we can write how many ways that I am going to show you. First 24 into 1 or 1 into 24. Second 2 into 12. 3 into 8. Next 4 into 6. Next 6 into 4. Now here 6 and 4 repeated. कोई भी number repeat होगा तो रुक जाना, right? So this will not consider. So stop here. 4 and 6 have occurred earlier. So hence the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These are the factors. Now coming to 15. 15 in how many ways we can write? So let us start. 1 into 15, 3 into 5 and 5 into 3. Again we have to stop here as it is repeated. So the factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Only 4 factors are there. So coming to 21. 21 we can write 1 into 21 first, 3 into 7 and 7 into 3. Again we have to stop because 7 and 3 are repeated. So stop here since these are repeated. So the factors are 1, 3, 5, 21. Now the last one, 27. 27 we can write 1 into 27, 3 into 9 and 9 into 3. So again repeated, we have to stop. So the factors are 1, 3, 9, 27. So again 4 factors. Okay. So now we are moving toward the next question. Write 5 multiples of 5, 8 and 9. So let us start with 5. Multiplication table ही लिखना है. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 5, 25. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 are the multiples of 5. First multiple बोला है, otherwise 100 also is a multiple of 5. Next 8. 8 into 1, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 3, 24. 8 into 4, 32. 8 into 5, 40. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 are the multiples of 8. Now coming to the last bit, ninth one. 9 into 1, 9. 9 into 2, 18. 27. Then 36. Then 45. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45 are the required multiples of first multiples, 5 multiples of 9. Right. So now next topic, prime and composite number. उसके बाद divisibility test देखते हैं. So we'll see this table, the numbers from 1 to 12. We'll see how many factors of 1. There are 2 factors of 2. 1 का एक ही factor होगा. That is why it is neither prime number nor composite number. That we have already seen in our regular class. So 2 के दो ही factors होंगे, 1 and 2. दो factor. And 3 के भी दो factors होंगे, 1 and 3. And 4 we have 3 factors, 1, 2, 4. 5 again 2 factors, 1 and 5. 6 we have 4 factors, 1, 2, 3, 6, right. And 7 also we have 2 factors, 1, 7. 8 we have again 4 factors, 1, 2, 4, 8. And 9 we have 3 factors, 1, 3, 9. And 10 we have again 4 factors, 1, 2, 5, 10. 11 we have only 2 factors, 1 and 11. And the last 12. 12 we have 6 factors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So if we observe the number of factors of all these numbers, so what we can identify that only 1 is a number that which do not have more than 1 factor. So leave it. We have either 2 or more than 2. Okay. So the number having exactly 1 factor, the number having exactly 2 factors, the number having exactly more than 2 factors. So जो जिसमें एक ही फैक्टर है वो ना तो प्राइम नंबर है ना कंपोजिट नंबर है. इट इज नाइदर प्राइम नंबर नॉर कंपोजिट नंबर. ओके, सो इट इज द नेचुरल नंबर 1. And each of the numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, it has only exactly 2 factors, and such numbers are called prime numbers. And the number other than this and 1, they have more than 2 factors, so that numbers are called composite number. So we'll come to the definition that the numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself, or exactly having 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers, and the numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite number. Now we'll move toward the next topic, co-primes or relatively prime. 2 numbers are said to be co-prime numbers if they do not have any common factor other than 1. I will show you. See, जैसे 5 और 7 है, इसमें केवल 1 common factor है, 1. So ये दोनों co-prime number है. I will show one more example. 7 and 8. See, no common factor other than 1. So these two also co-prime numbers. Okay. So like that we have some combination 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 9, 5, 6, 5, 7, 7, 8. These 2 numbers do not have any common factor other than 1. So 2 co-primes need not both be primes. Example 3, 4. 3, 4 में देखो, these 2 are co-primes, but 4 is not a prime number. 4, 9. 4, 9 are also co-prime number, but both are not prime. 7, 8. In 7, 8 also 8 is not a prime. So any 2 primes are always co-prime numbers. अगर 2 prime number हम लोग लेते हैं तो वो हमेशा co-prime numbers ही होंगे. ठीक है, जैसे 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7. Pairs of consecutive numbers are co-prime numbers. कोई भी consecutive numbers जैसे 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 7, 8. These are all co-prime numbers. Now very important property is that if a number is divisible by each of the 2 or more co-prime numbers, then it is also divisible by product. For example, 6312 is divisible by co-primes 3 and 4. So it is also divisible by their product, that is 12. 3 into 4. Okay. So now we'll see some important facts about prime numbers. First, the number 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Number 2 is the smallest prime number. And number 2 is only the even prime number. All other even numbers are composite numbers. Okay. Every prime except 2 is an odd number. Okay. Composite numbers need not be an even. 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Okay. Composite number हमेशा even होना ऐसा नहीं है. और 9 जो है सबसे smallest odd composite number है. Right. Next 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. These are 7 consecutive numbers less than 100 which are all composite, having no prime number between them. And next is every even number greater than 4 can be expressed as a sum of 2 odd prime numbers. जैसे 8 हो गया. 8 we can write 3 plus 5. Okay. And next is the number of primes is infinite. Here infinite is used in the sense that no matter how many primes we have found, there are still more primes. It is up to infinite. Prime number we are taking from natural number only. Or natural number infinite hota hai. So prime number is also infinite. Okay. There is no largest prime number because otherwise the number of prime would be finite. A natural number greater than 1 is either prime or has a factor which is prime. So these are some important factors about prime number. Now we'll move towards some important questions from exercise 3.2. Let us start with the third question. The numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits 1 and 3. Find such pairs of prime numbers up to 100. So I'm giving one example, 17 and 71, right? Like that we have 37 and 73, and the last one is 79 and 97. So these are the 3 pairs of prime numbers such in which the same numbers are using. Okay, now next write down separately the prime and the composite numbers less than 20. So first we will write prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Now whatever the number left except 1, all are composite number. Okay, that is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18. Right. Now we are moving toward the next question. Fifth question. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? So 1 and 10 के बीच में कितने prime number होते हैं? 2, 3, 5, 7. इसमें सबसे बड़ा 7 है. So 7 is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10. Now express the following as the sum of 2 odd primes. First 44. 44 we can write 3 plus 41. In other way also you can write. Okay. And 36. 36 we can write 5 plus 31. Right. And 24 we can write 5 plus 19 or 7 plus 17 also you can write. And 18 we can write 5 plus 18 or you can write 5 plus 13 or you can write 7 plus 11 also. कोई भी एक आंसर लिखना. Right. Now we are moving toward next question. Give 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. 3, 5, 5, 7 and 11, 13. So these are the 3 pairs. Well, we can write 17, 19 also. Right. But we have to write only 3 pairs. Now next, write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime numbers between them. Right? So this is the table. See, यहाँ पे 90 से लेकर 96 तक ये सारे composite number हैं. And these are 7 composite number. So the answer is 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96. Okay, so now one more question we are going to take. Express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. First 21, 3 plus 5 plus 13. Okay, and next one, even you can write in other way also. Next one is 31. 31 we can write 3 plus 5 plus 23. And 53 we can write, yes, 13 plus 17 plus 23, right. and 61 we can write 7 plus 13 plus 41. Now one more question we are going to do, 11th question. Write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. So 2 3, 2 plus 3 5 होता है, तो 5 से डिवाइड होगा. 2 plus 13, 15 also divisible by 5. 3 plus 17, 20 is also divisible by 5. 7 plus 13, that is also divisible by 5, that is 20. And 19 plus 11, 30, it is also divisible by 5. Less than 20 देखना, otherwise बहुत सारे pairs निकलेंगे. Okay, so now we are moving toward the divisibility test. Test for divisibility of numbers. So a number is divisible by any number if remainder is 0 or quotient is any whole number. This example just now we have seen before factors. 42 जो है वो 6 से divisible है. Why? Because remainder is 0 and quotient we are getting whole number. So now let us move toward the first divisibility test by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it is even or if its unit place digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Example 254, 1250, 72, 356. देखो यहाँ पर यूनिट प्लेस में 4 है, so divisible by 2 हो गया. Unit place digit is 0, so therefore it is also divisible by 2. Unit place is 2, so this number is also divisible by 2. Unit place is 6, so this number is also divisible by 2. Okay. Now these numbers are not divisible by 2 क्योंकि unit place में ना तो 0 है, 2 है, 4 है, 6 है और 8 है, right? और unit place digit में we can say that all are odd numbers, not an even numbers, right? So coming to divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits के जितने भी total है वो 3 से divide होना चाहिए. So we'll see one example. 123 first. 123 में देखो 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6 आ रहा है, and 6 is divisible by 3. 6 is divisible by 3, so therefore the number is also divisible by 3. So coming to the next number 245, we will add all the digits 2 plus 4 plus 5. So we are getting 11, and 11 is not divisible by 3. So the number is also not divisible by 3. Now next divisibility test by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones place digit या unit place digit is 0 or 5. See this example. 115. The unit place digit is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Next example, the unit place digit is 0. So therefore the number is divisible by 5. One more example, 523. The unit place digit is 3. So this number is not divisible by 5 क्योंकि 0 और 5 नहीं है यहाँ पर. Now next divisibility by 6. Divisibility by 6 के लिए the number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. This is the criteria. So we'll see example 3204. तो 6 के लिए हम लोग को 2 और 3 दोनों की चेकिंग करना है. So first we will see 2. So the unit place digit is 4, therefore it is divisible by 2. And we'll check for 3. 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 4. So 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 4 कितना हो गया देखो 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so the number is also divisible by 3. So the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3, therefore the number is divisible by 6. This is clear? ये समझ में आ गया ये वाला? Okay, so we'll see one more example. 2564. Unit place digit is 4, so that means it is divisible by 2. Now we will check for 3. 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4, 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. So अगर number किसी भी एक number से divide नहीं हो रहा, either 2 or 3, so the number is not divisible by 6. Right. So now we are moving to a divisibility test by 9. So a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Similar as 3. 3 का भी ऐसी similar था condition. So we'll see one example. See 3 plus 8 plus 7, 18 आ रहा है. And 18 is divisible by 9. So the number is also divisible by 9. We'll see one more example. 2719, 2 plus 7 plus 1, 10 हो गया, plus 9, 19. 19 is not divisible by 9. So therefore the number is also not divisible by 9. Now coming to the divisibility test by 10. Divisibility by 10 सबसे easy है, unit place में 0 होना चाहिए, otherwise not divisible. See, these are the numbers divisible by 10 because unit place digit is 0. Now coming to divisibility test by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are either 0 or the last two digit is divisible by 4. We'll see one example. देखो, ये इसमें लास्ट टू डिजिट में 8 है, 8 4 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, तो दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 4. लास्ट टू डिजिट इज 0, दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. लास्ट टू डिजिट इज 64, 64 is divisible by 4, so this number is also divisible by 4, right? Okay, and now coming to नहीं, एक और एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं. 5134, लास्ट टू डिजिट इज 34. 34 जो है 4 के टेबल में नहीं आता है, so 34 is not divisible by 4, so the number is also not divisible by 4, right? So now next divisibility test by 8. It is similar to 4, but 4 में 2 डिजिट देख रहे थे लास्ट में, यहाँ पे तीनों डिजिट देखना है. If the last 3 digits are 0 or divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. Example, see 75,000, last 3 digits are 0, so the number is divisible by 8. One more example, 34,824, right? Last 3 digit, that is 824 is divisible by 8 or not, we are checking. Okay, divide करके check करना है. So यहाँ पे 0 आ गया, 2, one more 0 we have to put, then we can drop down for 4, or we can use 0 also यहाँ पर. So 8 3s are 24. So that means 824 is divisible by 8. So the number is also divisible by 8. We'll see one more example. Last 3 digit is 58. 58 8 के टेबल में नहीं आता है, क्योंकि 8 7s are 56 है, 8 8s are 64 है. So this last 3 digit number is not divisible by 8. So the number is also not divisible by 8. अब एक ही divisibility test बच गया है, 11 वाला. ओके, सो 11 का क्या है, ऑड प्लेस और इवन प्लेस का जो डिफरेंस है वो 11 से डिवाइड होना चाहिए, right? A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the digits in odd place and the sum of the digits in even place is either 0 or divisible by 11. We'll see one example. See, 30,81,331. इसमें देखो जो काउंटिंग जो है वो यहाँ से भी कर सकते हो, 1 3 5 7, और यू कैन काउंट फ्रॉम राइट टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. सो दोनों तरीके से करोगे सेम आंसर आएगा. सो ये सारे ऑड प्लेस में 3 + 8 + 3 + 1, सो वी आर गेटिंग 15. अब इवन प्लेस का डिजिट्स देखो, 0 + 1 + 3, वी आर गेटिंग 4, and the difference between these two is 11, and which is divisible by 11. So the number is also divisible by 11. अभी नेक्स्ट नंबर में देखो 1 3, तो ये ऑड प्लेस हो गया, 1 + 6, और इवन प्लेस में आ रहा है 2 और 5, ये भी 7 हो गया. सो दोनों 7 हो गया, द डिफरेंस इज 0, सो देयरफॉर दैट नंबर इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 11. नाउ द लास्ट वन, सी ऑड प्लेस, ये इन दोनों का सम 8 है और इन दोनों का सम 5 है, एंड द डिफरेंस इज नॉट either 0 or divisible by 11. So the number is also not divisible by 11. ओके और एक और मेथड है 11 के डिविजिबिलिटी चेक करने का, दैट आल्सो आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन. सब्ट्रैक्ट द लास्ट डिजिट फ्रॉम द रिमेनिंग लीडिंग ट्रंकेटेड नंबर. इफ द रिजल्ट इज डिविजिबल बाय 11 देन सो वाज द फर्स्ट नंबर. चलो आई विल एक्सप्लेन. और ये बार बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करते जाना जब तक कि लास्ट नंबर जो है वो 11 से डिवाइड हो रहा है कि नहीं चेक कर सकते हैं. आई विल एक्सप्लेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल. See 19,151. So the last digit is 1. इसको हटा दो, बचा क्या? ट्रंकेटेड नंबर इज 1950. इसमें से 1 माइनस करना है. So we'll get 1914. Now here the last number is 4 and the truncated number is 191. 191 में से 4 माइनस करेंगे. So we'll get 187. And the last number is 7. We will subtract it from the remaining number, that is 18 number. 18 minus 7 is 11. So 11 is divisible by 11. So the number is divisible by 11. So this is the alternate method for divisibility test by 11. Okay. So coming to the next divisibility by 7. This is not so important for your exam, but एक बार देख लो इसको, ठीक है? From the given number, remove the digits at ones place. Multiplying the removed digit by 5 and add the product, so obtain to the truncated number. I will explain with the help of example. If the number is obtained is 2 digit or 1 digit number and it is divisible by 7, then the given number is divisible by 7, right? If the number obtained is not 2 digit number, means बड़ा number है, so again you have to repeat the process जब तक कि 2 digit या 1 digit नहीं मिल जाता. We'll see one example. Let the given number is 61,838. Okay. So यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? लास्ट नंबर जो है वो 8 है, इसको हटा दो. हटा के इसको 5 से इंटू करो. 5 से इंटू करेंगे तो 40 आएगा, ठीक है? देखो, और उसको ट्रंकेटेड नंबर मतलब जो बचा हुआ नंबर है उसके साथ ऐड करेंगे. So we got 6,223. Right, so this is 4 digit number. Again we have to remove 3. 3 को निकाल के फिर into 5 करो, that is 15. फिर ऐड करो इस नंबर के साथ में 622. We are getting 637. फिर से 2 digit नंबर मिल गया. फिर 7 को हटाओ, remove 7, multiply with 5, that is 35, and add with the truncated number, that is 63. So we are getting 98. ठीक है? 98 में भी लास्ट नंबर जो है 98 भी थोड़ा सा बड़ा नंबर है. सो हम लोग अदरवाइज 98 यू कैन चेक इट विद 7. 7 से डिवाइड हो रहा है डेफिनेटली. 14 इंटू 7 98 होता है. सो द नंबर इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाई 7. अदरवाइज लास्ट डिजिट को निकालो, 8 इंटू 4 40, एड विद द ट्रंकेटेड नंबर 9 विल गेट 49. 49 is divisible by 7. So the number is also divisible by 7. ठीक है? अभी कुछ एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं हम लोग. टेस्ट द डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ नंबर by 2. 8 6 5 2. See, unit place digit is 2, so this number is divisible by 2. Okay, we know that the number is divisible by 2 if its unit place digit is 0 2 4 6 or 8. So this number is divisible by 2, and here the unit place digit is not of any of these digits, that is odd number, so that is why the second one is not divisible by 2, right? We'll see one more example by 3. 726. 3 का टेस्टिंग कैसे करते हैं? सम ऑफ द डिजिट शुड बी डिविजिबल बाय 3. चलो, 3 प्लस 7 प्लस 2 प्लस 6 15. 15 is divisible by 3, so the number is also divisible by 3. Second one, 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6, 21. So 21 is divisible by 3, so the number is also divisible by 3. And the last one, see, 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 3 plus 8. यहाँ तक हम लोग को 17 मिल गया. 25 we are getting. So 25 जो है वो 3 से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है. So the number is also not divisible by 3. So these are the divisibility tests. We will continue with the revision number 2. That's all for today's session. Thank you very much.